All right, next up here in the break room, we have two more boxes of Bowman baseball, 2012 Bowman Draft Hobby, and a 2014 Bowman Draft Jumbo. Good luck there, Galaxy. Thank you once again for the purchase. All right, let's get started here on the 2012 Bowman Draft Picks and Prospects. Looking for it, one auto in the box. Start off with Mike Mudron, Irving Fallu, and a blue Bryce Harper. A 201 of 500. Blue Bryce Harper rookie card. Addison Reed, Nathan Minich, Joey Gallo, and James Ramsey. Solid first pack there. Eric Stamets, Yu Darvish, Joshua Turley, Bowman Ice, Sean Valeriot, Tyler Natkin, Alex Yarbrough, and Hudson Randall. Dominic Leone, Bryce Harper rookie base, Jeremy Lucas, RJ Alvarez orange. It's going to be a 52 of 250. Alexander Marin, Kevin Plawecki, and Tyler Natkin. Josh Martin, Trevor Bauer, Matt Moore, Austin Chubb, Jordani Valdespin, Rowan Wick, and Max Foodie. Hunter Bailey, AJ Griffin, Willie Peralta, AJ Pollock, Clayton Henning, Pierce Johnson, and Andrew Pullen. Chad Garman, Brett Jackson. A top picks, Dylan Bundy, Kevin Gaussman. Michael Vaughn, David Dahl, Nathan Minich, Clayton Henning. Patrick Markling, Tyler Thornburg, Wade Miley. Patrick Clausen, Yanis Cespedes, Michael Vaughn, David Dahl, base. Still waiting for our first autograph. Still a long ways to go in this box. Bennett Picker, Norichika Aoki, Jeremy Hefner, Eric Gonzalez, Parker Morin, another Parker Morin's the regular base, and Matthew Price. David Cruz, Cole Calhoun, Blue Alfredo Rodriguez, 295 of 500. Tanner Schuppers, Keon Barnum, Patrick Wisdom, and Shane Watson. Derek Self, Drew Pomeranz, top picks Evan Longoria, Mike Zunino, Yenny Gonzalez, Pierce Johnson, Richard Bolesky, Ryan Gibbard. Kevin McCaig, Derek Norris, Alex Liddy, Edward Cabrera, Andrew Pullen, Scott Oberg, Alfredo Rodriguez. Robert Ravago, Will Middlebrooks, Xavier Avery, David Cruz. Got a gold autograph coming up, Austin Ayoun. It's going to be numbered 9/50. Prospect from the Yankees. Autographed gold chrome. Nice pull. Avi Romero, Jamie Jarmone. Hunter Scantling, Joe Kelly, Martin Perez, Wei-Yin Chen, Kevin Plawecki, Nick Trevieso, Bruce Maxwell. Joe Bircher, Hisashi Iwakuma, Christian Fadrick, Brian Dozier, Matthew Price, Austin Ayoun, and Richie Schaefer. Jeremy Lucas, and Drelton Simmons, Devin Mesoraco, Charles Gillies, Nick Rout, Mitch Hanger, Paul Blackburn. Edward Sappelt, Dallas Keuchel, Matt Adams. Got a blue chrome, Michael Myers. 230 of 250. Blue chrome, Michael Myers. Austin Ayoun, Mitch Geller, Victor Roach. Taylor Ard, Steve Clevenger, Tyler Pasternicki, Jason Wilson, Jesus Montero, Keon Barnum, and Braylon Jackson. Patrick Clausen, Quentin Berry, Ismani Grandal, Drew Smiley, Braylon Jackson. Marcus Stroman, Andre Martinez. Jason Wilson, Kirk Neuenhuis. A top picks, Justin Verlander, Danny Hultzen. Mike Dodage, Connor Leon, Caleb Frere, and Brett Wiley. Sean Valeriot, Matt Haig, Anthony Gose, Jason Stoltz, Leonis Martin, Max White, Mark Sappington. Joshua Turley, Wei-Yin Chen, Yordani Valdespin, Ty Buttry, Eddie Butler, Yasmuel Valentin, and Gavin Cecchini. Sean McAdams, Liam Hendricks, Jared Parker, Andrew Haney, top picks. Sam Selman, Richie Schaefer, Mike Dodich, Connor Lien. Jason Stoltz, Jordan Picacho, Drew Hutchinson, Willen Rosario, Mitch Geller, Eddie Butler, Mike Morin. And with the final pack in 2012, Austin Chubb, Tom Malone, Ellen Herrera, Sean Valeriot, Victor Roach, Jeffrey Popick, and Jacob Thompson. Solid box there for you, Galaxy. Let's move on to 2014 Hobby Jumbo. All right, looking for 3 autos in this jumbo box. Good luck once again, Galaxy. All right, let's flip through these. The Byron Buxton, Joey Gatto, all right, got a Jose Berrios Bowman Ice, Nick Gordon Draft Board, and a Bowman Chrome Auto Spencer Adams. Byron Buxton Chrome. All right, way to start this box. Right, Justin Williams breakouts, Daniel Robertson blue, 398 of 399. Right, future of the franchise, mini Jesse Winker. A Michael Chavis draft card. Austin Meadows reprint auto. Next auto is going to be a Bowman Chrome of Chris Ellis. All right. Carlos Correa. Cal Schwarber. All right, got some color in this. Jacob Gatewood Bowman Ice. A Colin Moran Bowman Ice Purple. It's going to be a 33 of 99. Future of the franchise, Carlos Correa Mini. Cal Schwarber Chrome. Corey Seager. Tyler Glasnow, future of the franchise. A Matt Chapman Bowman Ice. Cody Medeiros Draft. Joey Gallo. All right, reprint auto, Corey Seager. Still looking for one more here. Francella's Montas Breakout. A Ben Lively Orange Chrome. It's going to be 9 of 25. Chris Bryant. See some color in this. Corey Seager Chrome. Tyler Danish Breakout. Justice Sheffield Red Ice. 6 of 150. Corey Seager. Okay, one more pack. Let's see if we can get our third auto here. All right, autograph card's going to be a Chrome Justin Twine. Justin Twine Chrome. Carlos Correa Chrome. And Austin Meadows Ice. All right, there you are. All right, thanks for the break, Galaxy. Hope you enjoyed the break. And we'll get everything packed up for you as soon as we can.